So you're looking at CRMs. You've looked at the big ones, the big guys, Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive. Do I need Evolve? Do I need a partner? That's a really good question, right? So we always think about this in two things. You're making the decision on a system. Does it fit your business requirements? You've also got another question. Who's going to implement it and who's going to ensure that the users adopt it? Now, if you've got internal resource, super. We've got some elements to help you with that. Or Pipedrive, our only CRM that we work with, is really, really easy to use. You can buy it through us off the shelf and do it yourself. However, we found that if a business has more than 5 users or more than 2 departments and you don't have the internal resource, it can be a time suck, right? So leaning on an expert, there are multiple experts across any CRM you choose, can be useful because it can help you do an implementation that doesn't take 6 months, you can do it in 6 weeks.